Hi, today is May 30th, 2018. It's been a little bit over a week since my last Autopot update, um, and the plants are growing pretty big. We'll go ahead and start again with the tomatillo in back here. We've been getting some wind, so I've had to stake some of them, and the tomatillo has a few flowers there that have developed. And so seems to be growing pretty good. And then next is one of our tomato plants, and actually if you look back there you can see there's a tomato growing, so those seem to be doing good. And then our other tomato plant with tomato down there too, a couple of them, couple of little tomatoes. So those plants seem to be doing good. And then back here is our, this is a poblano, and you can see some flowers up top, and it looks like some fruits are growing there. So looking pretty good. And then this is the YOLO sweet pepper, and has some fruits in there, or it looks like the flower, and some more coming up. Serrano is still growing well, no flowers yet that I see. And in front of the Serrano is we had arugula, and it was ready to be cut down, and so we made a salad out of it, and I replaced it with the sugar snap peas. So plants are doing good, and so that's our update for now. We'll do another one in about a week or so.